Hi guys, I'm Nilanjana and welcome to my channel again. How are you doing today? I'm sure you must be doing fantastic. So, any guesses what video I'm going to make today for you all? Any guesses? Well, भूख मुझे बहुत ज़बरदस्त लग रहा है as of now. Chicken is over. Fish, no. Yes, have a brilliant idea. I've got paneer in my fridge. So fasten your seat belts and let's see what is cooking in my kitchen today. Come on.
Hey friends, today I'm going to make a mouth-watering vegetarian dish which is Paneer Makhanwala. So let's first see what are the ingredients required. 2 tablespoons of onion paste, 1 teaspoon ginger, 2.5 teaspoons of garlic, tomato finely chopped, butter 50 grams, 1.5 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, little coriander powder, kasuri methi 1 teaspoon, fresh cream about 3 tablespoons, paneer 300 grams, salt to taste, freshly chopped coriander for garnishing. First thing that I'm going to do is take a pan and turn on the stove. Heat up about 50 grams of butter. To the butter, I'm going to add the onion paste, one teaspoon of cumin powder. Then I'm going to give this all a good mix and let it cook till the onions start to get translucent and change its color. Once the onion has changed its color, I'm going to add the ginger garlic paste, some turmeric or haldi powder, some red chili powder, some coriander powder or dhania, and then again give it all a good mix. We need to stir it well so that all the flavors are infused together and the rawness of the spices disappear. Once that is done, I'm going to add in some finely chopped tomatoes. You can even make a puree of it. To that, I'm going to add in some water and then again stir it well. Then I'm going to cover the pan with a lid and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now while the sauce is being cooked, I'm going to take some fresh paneer and cut them into cubes. Now I'm going to toss the paneer little bit in butter. This gives the dish slight kick, and once it's little charred, I will set it aside on a plate. Once we are done frying the paneer, it's time for us to check on the sauce, which has been now cooking for 15 minutes. However, if you want, you can use the paneer just as it is and throw it into the sauce. And again, give it a good stir. Now I'm going to add some kasuri methi, which is an integral flavor in this recipe, in my humble opinion. Then again, give that all a good mix. After that, it's time to add some fresh cream. Then we need to season it with some salt. Final quick stir is required. We'll garnish it with fresh coriander and with little bit of fresh cream. And that's it, my friends. Paneer Makhanwala is all ready to eat. You can serve it either with rice or roti.
Okay guys, with this I come to the end of yet another delicious recipe wala एक segment and I hope you all have enjoyed watching my video. अगर आप लोग को ये वीडियो पसंद आया है, please don't forget, very important, do not forget to try out the recipe and feedback ज़रूर दीजिएगा because you know now we are a family. I need your feedbacks and comments as to how did you all enjoy making it and how did the dish turn out to be. So please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. और वो जो छोटू वाला bell icon है उसमें भी घंटी ज़रूर बजा दीजिएगा so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. And please do follow me on my Instagram. And with this, it's a wrap. I will see you in my next one. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, and keep smiling. Love you guys.